Alright, what's up everybody, my name is Nemo here. This is the day after the storm, and we got about 15 inches of snow, as you can see by my footprints. I can barely see right now. So look at my phone, I'm looking through glasses. See? Oh shit. As you can see, I have my boots on. But a lot fucking snow. This is our park. And really, once I get to my house, you can see how much snow we basically got. Oh, shit. No, it's really deep now. You have all the wind blowing. As you can see, I'm kind of up my feet now. Dear God. It's not 32 like we got 2 years ago, but it's still fucking snow, damn it. Sorry me cursing, but I fucking snow. I don't know what time it is right now. Wait, go on the street or just run? Alright. You're gonna see me jump. Okay. I'm on the street now. There we go. I'm going to. Hold on, guys. I'm running right now. Okay, so you're going to be seeing part of me. Ciao, guys. A lot of water. A lot of water. Fill this out right now. Yeah, locked it by accident. Oh. You can see the damage. It can't be any longer than 5 minutes. That's all my battery is. Anyway, see you later, guys.